What's cooking in crypto? Today we got a real mixed bag, folks. On one hand, some altcoins are making big moves into the mainstream, but then there's Ethereum, taking a bit of a hit. First up, let's talk Solana. VanEck, one of the big players, just launched their Solana ETF, and get this, with zero sponsor fees. That's a huge deal for investors looking to get into Solana without actually buying the coin directly. Now, for those scratching their heads, an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, it's basically like a basket of assets, right? You can buy and sell shares of this basket on a regular stock exchange, just like a company stock. So, if you want to bet on Solana's future, you can do it through this ETF without dealing with crypto wallets or exchanges. Pretty slick, huh? This shows big money is really starting to get serious about Solana. And speaking of big moves, Grayscale, another giant in the crypto investment world, is looking to launch a Dogecoin ETF. Yeah, you heard that right, Dogecoin. The meme coin could soon have its own ETF, which would be a massive step for Doge, opening it up to a whole new world of investors who prefer traditional investment vehicles. Imagine that, Dogecoin rubbing shoulders with blue-chip stocks on the exchange. It's a sign that even assets that started as a joke are now being taken seriously by institutional money. But hold your horses, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows. While these altcoins are strutting their stuff, Ethereum, the second biggest crypto out there, just crashed below $3,000. Ouch. The reason? Big institutional outflows. That means the big money, the hedge funds, the investment firms, they're pulling their cash out of Ethereum. They're selling off their holdings, and that's putting some serious pressure on the price. It's a stark reminder that even the giants can take a tumble when the big players decide to cash out. So, what's it all mean? We're seeing this fascinating split in the market. New avenues for altcoin investment opening up, while a major player like Ethereum faces some headwinds. It's a wild ride. Always is in this space. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.